How to post a GIF on Instagram comments, or how to fix if you are not able to post GIFs on Instagram comments. So first of all, you will have to go to your Play Store. This is the first step. You don't have to skip it because this helps the majority of people. So make sure to do this step. Search for Instagram and make sure to update your app. If you have an update button instead of the open button, you just have to click on that and update your app. After you've updated your app, we have to go to the second step. Go to your phone settings, then scroll down, and then go to apps. From here, you can either scroll down until you find Instagram, or you can just click on the search icon from the right top corner for Instagram. Click on the app, then scroll down and go to storage. And now from here, you have to clear the data and the cache from the bottom of the screen. If you clear the data, you will be logged out from your Instagram, so make sure to know your password. This will head us to the next step, which is logging out of your Instagram app and then log in again. Then we have to go back, and if you have an iPhone and you don't have the clear cache and data, you just have to offload your app. From here, we have to go to permissions and make sure that you allow these: camera, files and media, location, and microphone. Now we can go to our Instagram app. Here is my profile. I will go to one post, click on comments and see if it works. From here, you will have to click here. Then go to GIFs, which is here. Choose your GIF and share it with your friends. So this is how you can post a GIF on Instagram comments. If you still have problems and you are not able to post a GIF on Instagram comments, you just have to go to your Instagram profile once again, click on those three lines from the right top corner, go to settings, then from here you have to go to help, then go to report a problem, then click on report problem without shaking. And now you have to briefly explain what happened or what's not working. You have to say, "Hello, Instagram team, I cannot post a GIF on Instagram comments. Please solve this problem for me." Then you have to add your username, your email, and you will be contacted in 72 hours. So if this video was useful, you can like it, you can subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell because I will post more videos like this one soon. You can also comment in the comment section down below with your questions, with your thoughts, with your problems, and I will make sure to answer to them as quickly as possible and help you out. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.